as Bafana Bafana are gearing themselves up for the AFCON 2025, which will start on the 21st of December 2025 up until the 18th of January 2026 out in Morocco, with Bafana Bafana playing their first match against Angola on the 22nd of December 2025. There has been reports of tensions, and even Captain Ronald Williams confirmed that the mood in the camp is not the jovial mood that we know the mood to be in the Bafana Bafana setup, especially under Hugo Bruce. But what could be the reason? Even the performance against Ghana in the last friendly, the send off, it wasn't too much of the greatest football. Could tell that something was bubbling underneath. Is it the issue of bonus?